Clap your hands, everybody. Come on. People's gonna think that's a UFO.
I know they're having them on videos and stuff like that are coming out.
Is it going higher and higher?
Yeah.
What's the wind blows up the car and it falls on top of somebody's car? He was holding it like this, Dad.
Now I'm gonna follow it.
Oh, you are?
In my car.
What if it goes straight down into the woods?
Then I'm gonna crash my car, I guess. Alright, give me a hug, buddy.
Here, Dad.
I went to reach around and hug him. I love you, baby. Watch it. Cool.
Dad.
Yeah, your mom sent me a picture of him.
She wants you to take it.